my name is Carmen, if you haven't met me yet. There's me online, so I write a lot about income and the internet on my blog, so check it out. I like that GIF, by the way. I think it's really funny. But basically, my project is taking income statistics from the US Census and plotting them on a map, because what we find is that, I actually wasn't a part of it, I shouldn't take credit. What the Pew Research Foundation found when they did a few studies on internet connectivity based on income was that there was a huge drop in connectivity under about $30,000 in the United States, which that's quite a few people. And so these people they're having to use their phone or use a public space or go without. And so my interest is, how can we help them be able to get online, because everything is online. And so my solution was, well, let's take it offline. And these are from a different talk, and really all I want to show you is that part of it, which is smartphones and internet connection. So I don't have the exact population numbers, but the one that I found really, really interesting was that these numbers are a couple years old, but 19% of individuals with smartphones don't have consistent internet access beyond their smartphone. And again, that is heavily connected back to income. And then we have some predictors of access. And the thing I really wanted to show you that I think is super cool is my map. So that is the state of Oklahoma, and the orange dots are libraries. So like I said, we've got a lot of people who have to use public spaces. And then the dark blue parts of the state, so like right here, for instance, let me zoom in so you guys can see. So like right here, can you guys see that? It says the median individual income for the census tract is $6,898. So less than $7,000. And then if you look, you'll see that there's only one library for the entire census tract. So kind of the idea of the project is just to show, again, these are people that maybe you guys don't know them because it's only Oklahoma right now. The goal is to get the entire United States mapped out, but the goal is just to show this is an issue that people face, and kind of another thing that I found kind of interesting was the metro. Here we have some pockets of lower income, but we also have quite a few more libraries, so public access. And then Tulsa was pretty similar too, but this is coming in from online, so it's a little slow. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it. So anyway, that was what I really wanted to show you was my map, because I think it's really cool. Yeah, you can see Tulsa's the same way. So the lighter blue colors are all the way up to, I think that's white. So that's that one. In contrast, it says the median individual income for that census tract is $83,417. So a big difference. And then you also notice that there's also a whole lot more public spaces. So it's kind of that corollary. So that was it. Thank you guys for listening.
What will it take to bring this to the entire US?
It's census data, and census data is really ugly, so I wrote some node scripts to convert it into something usable. And so it's really just finding the data, pulling it down, and converting it. That's the really tedious part. So.
All right. So if anyone can help with that.
Yes, please. So, all right, thank you.
What's the name of your project?
It's called MargieMap. If you want to look at it, it's on my site. It's carmelou.com/Margie. MARGIE.